minimal spanning tree. Okay, so we're still doing networks. The paths between various cages at Noarlunga Park Zoo are dirt, and when it rains they become muddy. The figure at right or below shows all the paths with distances in meters. Okay? Management has decided to put in concrete paths. Use the minimal spanning tree algorithm to find the minimum length of concrete path that is required so that patrons could see each exhibit and visit the kiosk without walking on a dirt path. Okay? So we're going to use a minimal spanning tree to make sure we hit each of these cages. Okay? And people don't have to walk on the dirt. So let's have a look. Cool thing with the minimal spanning tree is you don't have to have a designated start spot. You can just pick anywhere to start. Okay? So let's start at the kiosk. Most people at the entrance, actually. Let's do that. Let's start at the entrance. So, entrance, what you do is have a look. What is the path that is the shortest from the first node that we've got? Okay, well, it's 60, 58. It's going to be the one, this one, going to the kiosk. Okay, so here we go. Now, from the entrance or the kiosk, which one is the shortest path from either of them? Okay, so it could be this one, could be coming back here from the start, or it could be either of these. Now, I don't know about you, but I can see that this one here to the crocodiles is the shortest out of those. I'm going to do this one. Okay. Now, from the nodes we've connected so far, which one is the shortest? Okay, so I don't need to use this one because I've already gone there. So I've got 80, 60, 65, 65, 55. I'm going to use the 55. Okay, so the monkeys. From these ones that I've got so far, which one's the shortest? Okay, so I've got, I don't need to use that one because I've already connected. So 70, 65, 60, or 80. What's going to be the 60? Okay, and go this way. And now I've only got one node left to connect, which is the lines. Which ones are going to be 70, 65, or 30? I'm going to use the 30. Okay, and that's it. We've connected each of the nodes, okay, with the minimum amount of footpath. Okay, so your next step is, okay, we're going to work out how much length of concrete they would need. So we just add up our paths. We've got a path that's 50, and it's in meters. Okay, and another 50 meters, and then 55 meters to the monkeys. Okay, and then back from the kiosk it's down 60 meters, and then last one is 30 meters. Okay, so I'm going to add them all together, and 50 plus 50 plus 55 plus 60 plus 30, 245 meters. Okay, 245 meters. And therefore, the zoo will need a minimum of 245 meters of concrete path to connect all of the cages together. Okay. And that's a minimum spanning tree. But just because I think it's cool, let's have a look at a blank one. Remember how I said that you could start from anywhere? Okay, let's test it out. Let's start instead from the crocodiles. Okay, so if I started from the crocodiles, do I get the same minimal amount of concrete? Okay, well, let's have a look. From the crocodiles, what's the shortest? This path here. Okay, from either of those, which one's the next shortest out? Okay, well, it's going to be this one. Okay, from either of these, which one's the next shortest? 55, 65, it's going to be this one. Okay, now from any of those, what's the next shortest? Okay, so we're going this way. We need 70, 65, 60, 80. It's going to be the 60. And now, out of the paths to the lines, I'm going to use this one. Oh, hey, does that look familiar? Okay, See, it doesn't matter where you start, you're going to end up with the same minimal spanning tree. Okay?